In this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this cute shamrock. So I am using number 4 worsted weight yarn, and this color is called Jelly Bean. I am using some yarn scissors, a yarn needle, and a 4.5 millimeter hook. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is make a magic circle. And if you don't know how to make a magic circle, I will leave a link on how to make one in the description box. We're going to start by chaining 3. 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to place 3 triple crochets into the ring. So yarn over 2 times, insert your hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through the ring. There will now be 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the second 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Okay, so we're going to do that 2 more times. One more time. Now we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch into the ring. So insert your hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through the ring, and a loop on your hook. So that will make your first petal, and we're just going to do that 2 more times for a 3-leaf clover. Okay, for the second petal, we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. We're going to place 3 triple crochets into the ring. So there's 1 triple, 2 triple, 3 triple. Now we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3, slip stitch into the ring. That makes 2 petals. Now we're going to place 1 more petal. 1, 2, 3, and place 3 triple crochets into the ring. This will be 2. This will be 3. Now we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3, slip stitch into the ring. And that will make our 3-leaf clover. Now if you want to make a 4-leaf clover, just go ahead and do that 1 more time. Okay, now we're just going to pull the ring closed. Now to make the stem, we're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to place a single crochet into the second chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 1 single crochet into this chain, and then place 1 single crochet into the next 3 chains. So there's 1 single, 2, and 3. Now we're going to slip stitch back into the circle. Okay, and then go ahead and fasten this off. You can pull the ring a little bit tighter. And I am going to sew these tail ends in so that we don't have them sticking out. And I will sew that hole just a little bit more closed. So if that happens to you, this is a good trick to get rid of that hole in the middle. Okay, so go ahead and cut off those tail ends when you feel safe. And there is your 3-leaf clover. And again, you can turn that into a 4-leaf clover if you want. So here's a 4-leaf clover, just so you can kind of see what that looks like. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you're wondering what I use these shamrocks for, make sure to go and check out my Crochet Shamrock dog bandana video. I will make sure to leave a link in the description to that video. And if you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. It truly means so much to my channel, and I will see you in the next one.